as easy as it used to be.
Right.
Where I could just come down on my bike and it felt good, and had a beer and felt good. Now it's like, come down here for an hour and I feel tired and a little sick. You know, just not feeling like I used to. Come on, guys.
Did you try to catch him?
No, I didn't even do that. This chicken scratches full of flour.
All right.
Ah, my friend Jim gave it to me. It helps a little.
Wow.
Not really a lot, but a little. The Ace Vantage, I think, was better. But this fits tighter, you know, so.
Mm-hmm.
You seen Frank?
Nope.
One of the girls from work called me. That was nice. Josie.
Right.
A lot of people. I don't know if they miss me, but she said, you know, a lot of, people say hi. Make sure you say hi.
Gotcha.
It's nice having you.
Right.
You're still ugly. What are you going to do? Take another picture?
I just did.
Just,
I wanted to
take
show
a picture
me.
of your teeth and go home later and look at it. Yeah.
Ugh.
Go home and brush those things. Well, you don't brush them? Why not?
I'm a monster.
Yeah, I know. Then you can pick the stuff out later and you eat it for snack, don't you? Huh? You do, you dirty pig.
Ah!
Go home and brush your... Oh, now look at you did. Oh, they're going to love you.
I want him to attack. Attack what? Attack Dean.
Okay, here we go. Since you mentioned it. Attack!
Oh.
They're closer.
Uh-huh.
Stay right there. Attack! Here they come. They're
Video
thinking
3.
about it.
Video.
They don't even want to touch
Video
the French
3.
fry.
Friday, August 13, 2021.
It's Friday the 13th.
Right.
So that means bad luck. If you believe in that. Do you believe in that? I ain't superstitious. I got a black cat.
I don't have any cats.
No, this one adopted me.
How did it adopt you?
He hangs out in my yard and I feed him.
Wow.
He came over this morning. Black cat.
Do you let him inside?
Pardon?
Do you let him inside?
Yeah, he comes in once in a while, but my other cat don't like it. She hisses at him. But I call him little buddy.
What color is your other cat?
White. Completely white, and this one's completely black. Salt and
Oh.
pepper. Salt and pepper. But then I got another one that's white and black. That is the white one's baby. But they're
Oh.
all like, the black one, I'm guessing he's only a couple years old, if. And my cat and the black and white one, they're both like 16, 17 years old.
Ah.
But they're hanging in there, you know, they're a pretty good help.
Wow.
Now the one with string, get a little closer. Is that this one right
Which
here?
one is it?
I think it's this one, maybe. No, that ain't
It's kind of cloudy today, isn't it?
it. I like it. Get rid of it. I mean, it's still warm out.
I just got back
It's
from
been
Live
It's
Oak.
been a hot summer. Hot. Well, that
Attack!
week I was in the hospital, and then the first week I was home, it was hot and sunny every day. Too hot and sunny. Did they eat it? Oh yeah.
Dean, we like you.
I like watching them eat French fries.
I hope you like me. I hope you like me.
Hey, now I don't. Those are greasy fries.
Oh,
This fly keeps landing on me though.
you gonna get him?
I'm gonna smack him.
Well, last time you didn't get me when I was doing this to you with my knife. I'm gonna take.
Come a little those, or you know what this new shoe?
Dean, I don't want to lose my shoestrings, Dean.
Come on, Jerry. Look at all this
Hey,
stuff
Dean, come on,
Look
Dean.
at this stuff I carry.
Come on, Dean. I got 9 mile point 43 so far, and I still got to do Wilder today. But I'm not eating any more today. This is it.
That's a lie.
This is any more today.
When you get home tonight, you're gonna eat. You'll probably go to Taco Bell.
I don't go there much.
I don't. You know, I went there about a week and a half ago, and it was garbage. So I don't go there no more.
Yeah.
Everything
I don't either.
It used to be they used to cook the beans and the meat. Now they get it and they put water on it and heat it up, and it's junk.
Right.